Let's go, come on. 3, 2, start! Alright, so what's up everyone, we're back again with a new video today. And in today's video, we're gonna ask from people to people how much do they know about Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's go and ask people how much do they appreciate Cristiano Ronaldo. For me, the favorite one quote of Cristiano Ronaldo is that he said, hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard. Yeah, and again, another one quote of Ronaldo is, it's never too late to start anything. So yes, that's how we go with all these things, yeah. So without wasting any other time, let's go to people and let's ask them how much do they know about Ronaldo. Let's go. Okay, so we got our two brothers over this side. They're gonna tell us about Ronaldo, and not only about Ronaldo, they're gonna tell us about Messi also. So let's see what clues do they have for us to tell. Bro, come on.
So Ronaldo is mainly known for his fitness, for his dedication, for his fitness. He is also known for his fitness and dedication.
Can you say it loud? Can you say it loud?
Like Ronaldo is known only for his fitness and his skill. He has made his skill by himself.
He's not known for football or what. He's only known for fitness.
He is known for futsal.
Messi is good. Messi is good.
But Messi is God gifted.
Messi is good.
Messi is God gifted. But Ronaldo has achieved this stage by himself. No, he is God gifted, but Ronaldo is self-made.
Messi is from poor family.
Ronaldo was also from poor family. Go to Google.
By your own words.
I am saying by my own words.
Show it.
How to show it?
Sue.
Messi.
Not Messi.
Messi.
No Messi.
Messi is good.
Wow, that was amazing, man. That was amazing.
Ronaldo is better.
Wow.
Bad. Ronaldo is better.
Alright, yeah.
No, Messi is better. Do you know goals count? Do you even know how many goals has Messi?
But even if we talk about the jump height of Ronaldo, that he crossed.
He has the highest jump. More than
Argentina won the World Cup.
World Club.
Alright, yeah. I think that much is enough for today. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
How?
So, alright, brother did the Sue of Ronaldo.
Sue!
Let me do it. Come on, brother. Come over here. Yeah. 3, 2, Sue! Once more. Let's go. 3, 2, Sue! Alright, so we're gonna do the Sue with 3 persons over here. Let's go, come on. 3, 2, Sue! And also you can see by this side we have the toy of Ronaldo. Wow. Ronaldo 7, CR7, let's go. Pum. Yeah, CR7 Ronaldo. Ronaldo, please come over here. Yeah, Ronaldo, and by this side we have Messi. Alright, so we have another brother by our side, and I'm gonna ask him what does he feel about Cristiano Ronaldo. So bro, tell them. What do you feel about Cristiano Ronaldo? Ronaldo is a great player, as you all know. Number 1 athlete. Yeah, our youngsters and our youth is inspired by Ronaldo. Thank you so much. Also, you can check out some shoes over here. Some really cool kicks at a very low price. Wow. Shoe stall over here, baby. How's this one? Pretty dope though. Yeah, pretty dope. Amazing shoes. What's the price, bro? Bro, What's the price of these shoes?
400.
400, just for 400. So I asked him, is there any bargaining in there? So he said, no bargaining, just a fixed price. But I think so that if you will do some ups and downs or some bargaining from them, then they will come to the conclusion. And also for the video, I have reached to so many people and asked them, how do you feel about Ronaldo? Like, there were most of the people who just talked about cricket, that they love cricket. You know, India is all about cricket. Not basically, Indians love football. I'm not saying that Indians don't love football. They love football, but there is not a majority of audience as compared to cricket. Yeah. And also in the side of Bengal in India and the side of West Bengal, they appreciate football and cricket, but not in the part of Delhi. Not in the part of Delhi that much. Yeah. So I hope you all like the video of today. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe the channel, and make sure to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. We're gonna meet again soon with another video. Let's go. Come on.